Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'm going to be showing one of our heavy-duty fanless industrial box PCs, the IPC2550A. Let's take a look. Okay, this is the box that your IPC2550A will come in, and so let's open the box. So it opens from the top here. And inside there will be a smaller box with the accessories, and then below that is the IPC2550A. So let's take a look at the accessory box first. And inside there is an input power cable. And then also there is a wall mounting kit that comes with 2 plates and 4 bolts. Then inside the main box is the IPC2550A. It's encased in foam, so let's remove it from the box. And let's remove it from the foam. Then we'll just remove it from the anti-static plastic wrapping. And here is the IPC2550A. Now this PC has a wide operating temperature from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, or -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an Intel Ultra HD graphics card. Okay, let's first take a look at the top of the PC. Right here, there are 4 VESA 75mm by 75mm M4 screw holes. Now let's take a look at the front I/O. So in the front, you have 2 DE9 serial COM ports, then 4 USB 2.0 host ports, and you have 1 HDMI 1.4B port. Let's go to the rear I/O. Starting with the 2 antenna fixtures. These are optional antenna fixtures for optional Wi-Fi, which also comes with Bluetooth 4.0 support. Then next to that is a 3.5mm line out and a 3.5mm line in for audio. Then there are 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports, then 4 USB 3.0 host ports, and in the middle here is another HDMI 1.4B port. Right here is another DE9 serial COM port, and then you have your DC power input for your power supply, and then right here is the power button. Let's take a look at the bottom of the PC. So you'll notice on the outside of the PC here are 4 wall mounting holes. These are for the 2 plates that came with your accessories for wall mounting. And then in really small text here, you have your model name, and then right here is your build number. So in order to reorder this IPC, you will need the model name and you'll need the build number. So the model name is IPC2550A, and then you have your build number here. Next to that will be an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. You have the option of purchasing either an embedded license or a non-embedded license. In this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems, so it is plug and play. Then you also have the option of purchasing the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC. Then you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this IPC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Okay, now I'm going to power on the IPC2550A. So I have a power supply going into the PC right here. Then I have an HDMI out going into one of our industrial monitors. This is one of our 15-inch models. So you're going to see the display on the monitor. So I'm going to turn on the power supply and the PC is going to boot up. See the Windows logo. There's a user welcome screen, and there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.